Good morning student, most welcome to our online classes. Now we cover in the subject business organization. Today topic is factors of business environment. आज हम बात करते हैं फैक्टर्स ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट। कौन कौन से ऐसे एनवायरनमेंट हैं जो हमारे बिजनेस को अफेक्ट करते हैं, जिससे हमारा बिजनेस प्रभावित होता है। सबसे पहले एनवायरनमेंट इज ए मिक्सचर ऑफ द डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स। एनवायरनमेंट इज ए मिक्सचर ऑफ द different elements that affect to our business. The power of conditions and the impact of all elements are the mobile. That is changes time to time. Every element affect to the our business very effectively. The kind of trade and its external environment are the two components that contribute the growth of the trade. Main factor or component of the business environment are the following. First is economic factor. First is economic factor and second is geographic or situational factor. Geographic are the situational factor. And third is social and cultural factor. Social and cultural factors. And fourth is political and administrative factor. Administrative factors. And fifth point is science and technological factor. Then sixth is the legal and judicial factor. Legal and judicial factors. And last is other factors. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. Our business affected by these seven main factors. Economic factors. The economic factors include the what things come the economic event, economic policies, demand supply, investment, industrial and taxation policy, investment flow and its level, the import export policy, and the finance and the monetary policy also affect the our business, and it's cover the economic factors. That is major role to the changes in the environment of the any business. These are the very effective to every business to change the environment. Then geographical and situational factors. The factors include the natural resources. Natural resources that also involved in the our economic or the business environmental changes. That is like the natural resource, solar energy, minerals and lands, also component of the situational or the geographical factors that influence our business. Third is social and cultural factors. We are know about the social values, social customs, culture, religions, educational standard are the included in the social culture factor. These factors influence the business environment. Many times we saw the educational level of the peoples in the particular areas that affect particular business. If your persons are illiterate, they cannot be affected by this business. But Just like we are compared to Delhi, any company produce any product in the Delhi, but some as MP in the rural area, Bilaspur. But both have effect. Do you see in the Delhi and the Bilaspur? Due to the reason of the situational factors, geographical factors, not play, but there is a social impact or cultural factors play. There people are living in the Delhi, they are very aware about the product, but in the Bilaspur MP, they is not aware of the product. This is social impact of the business, how to affect and control the environment of the business. This factor is involved. Then we come on the point political and the administrative factor. Political and administrative factor arrangements, economic system, administrative institutions, defense of the economy, and the constitutional provisions that are included in the political and administrative factors. Political systems which the country also influencing, democratic systems, and the people are the compelled to accept the government policy. Thus, the political system within the country influence the direction of the trade. Political system influence the direction of the trade of the country. After that, we are talking about science and technology factor. We are knowing about these factors include the scientific research, level of the scientific advancement, atomic and the nuclear power, satellite, aeronautical, and the laboratory also play important role. How do science and technology influence our business? Then legal and judicial factors. Next point, legal and judicial factor. The factors include commercial and industrial and labor law, and the regulation of judicial system exists within the country. If our regulation and judicial system is not good or not good, unfavorable of the business or the government or the public, we cannot impact or cannot influence our business properly. So, their legal and judicial factors also affect our business environment. Then other factors, the other factors of the business environment includes the what is the population of our country, population, also the other factors. Then consumer behavior. Consumer behavior also play important role to the business environment, such as the business. Industrial disputes, also the other factors, but in the directly or indirectly also affect all the businesses. Then the international powers. International powers also affect, just like WHO also play the important role in our economic export-import case. We cannot trade the other country, but the pressure of WHO, we can follow the all countries as an international level. And WTO also the play important role for the economic and the entire country. Now, it was the factors of the business environment, but we know the environment also affected by the different factors. These are the important role in our business. But now we learn about what is the importance of study of business environment. How study for importance of business environment. What is the importance of business environment? Business environment, on the other hand, enhance the economic growth. Enhance the economic growth, and in the other hand, it is the arrangement of the employee opportunity for its opportunity for employees. We are know about the business environment daily and updated. If there is no business environment, the condition of the poverty, unemployment, hunger, if the people has a shelter entire the economic system, hence the order to succeed in the business and understanding of business environment is very necessary. He know about how to grow the business and what is the procedure to affect the business. First point is full knowledge of internal environment. Full knowledge of internal environment. A businessman should have the fully aware of the internal business environment. He should have the full knowledge object of his trade policy, means of production, targets, organization structure, strategy, changes occurring where the knowledge of essential for influencing decision for the future. Decision for the future. Then he can the proper decide what product should be produced and where is released, what the price, what is the opportunity, what is the demand. Without it, no, he cannot succeed in the business. Then second point is knowledge of the change. Knowledge of change. We have to keep in mind everything is changing day by day. If a businessman is presently changing, there are the always changing occur in the taste habit of the consumer. Taste and habit of the consumer. Do you know we are always ready for the know about the change. What is going on, what is things, new things come in the market, and we know about taste, habit of the consumer, fashion, size, nature, kind, technology of the products. In order to have understanding the all of these changes, the every businessman should have include the regular study of business environment. They want to know what is the changes, what thing, new things in the market, what is the taste of people, what do you like. According to him, we have need to update our business. Then, economic policy of government. Economic policies of government. Every time government changes economic policies day by day. We are know about the industrial policy, licensing policy, export-import policy, and foreign exchange policy, price policy, finance policy, taxation policy. Are the government directly influence for the business? A business should not only have an understanding of the all such policy. He should have calculate their immediate and long term impact upon this. What is long term impact on our business? Do you need to calculate? Yes. We are know about what is the impact in the future, what is the profit, loss using was this economic policy. we are aware and prepare for it. Then knowledge of international events and pressure. Knowledge of international pressure. International event and pressure. We are aware to international events. Which type of international events are going on? What is new things happening in the international market? And where there is rise in the oil price. If you are not aware, the international price of the petrol, diesel and other petroleum products increase in our country as well. They are the economic decisions of the country are taken after taking into the consideration of the impact of the international market or event. These decisions also influence the business of economy of that country. What is the changes at the globally international level? What is happening in USA? What is happening in Japan? This is the study to know the international events and pressure. What is the changes? Then facing of the business challenges. Next point is facing of the business challenges. Facing of the business challenges. Every business has to face challenge from time to time. Hence, in order to find a situation for those changes, is necessary to have through the knowledge of business environment. Facing the business challenges, everyone know about the challenges in a particular business. If you do not about the what is challenges in the particular system, a particular business, you cannot succeed in your business. Business profitability. Profitability. We are now about every business is concerned to the making high profit. If we are not about the age of competition, business profitability is the stake. Everyone wants to get more profit in business. In order to find the situation for which changes necessary have to through the knowledge of business environment, we have always aware to make the better use opportunity. What is the opportunity? How can better use of this opportunity and how can make a good profit? It always calculated the business probability. Then the success of prosperity of the business. Everyone success and prosperity of business. Everyone wants to succeed in your business. Success and prosperity of the business depend upon through the understanding of the business environment. No business can flourish without understanding the business environment. If you not aware what is the business environment in particular area, we cannot succeed or the prosperous in the environment. So we are always aware to the your business environment in particular area, then we can succeed in the business. Then the long-term business planning. long-term business planning. Every businessman is much desirable that his business is fully aware of the business environment in order to frame policy for the future or the long term. If we plan our business for the long term, not the short term, and our policies and strategy success of this business, if you are thinking about the long term, then the influential management, first condition of the influential management is to remain the direct contact of the internal environment. ये proper management is very effective when he is direct contact to the internal environment of his business. In direct contact with the internal environment possible only when it is prestige work of the uniform system. If there is not uniform working system, they cannot control by the management. That is, we cannot say it is a influential management. Then distribution of goods. Distribution of goods. Goods and services are distributed to the properly run the business. Any businessman need land, labor and capital. Land, labor and capital. That is the production function. If we have land, labor, capital, in the order to arrange all things, means of production is the most reasonable price and understanding entire business environment. That means maximize the profit and minimize the cost. We always follow the maximize profit and the minimize cost. If our cost is less, we absolutely our profit will be more. Then the arrangement means of production, life of the business. The life of every business depend upon the close relation with the business environment. We are not aware about the business environment. Our business life is very short. So we are always touch and update to the our business environment. Then we can succeed in our business environment. Then the innovation. Innovation very important to the effect of business environment in everywhere. Innovation is the root of success of the business. A long-term innovation are not introduce the goods and services. The success in the business cannot assume. However, the business innovation is succeed only when they are accordance with the need and expectation of the business environment. First is need and expectation of the business. Firstly, we know about the what is the need of particular area. If you get the need, then you can what is the expectation of the customers, which type of service they want, then we can fulfill this service. Above discussion, we are the success of the business is present day cutthroat competition, and it is possible where only the businessman has complete knowledge of business organization, business environment, then he can succeed his business and he can control and grow your business. Thanks friend, watch and share its video. Then I will meet you next class, that is environmental pollution and industrial relations. Thank you.